Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need a compliant account and supported location before you begin. First, sign into Facebook and verify your email and phone. This builds trust and unlocks features. Once done, check your age and regional eligibility. Marketplace requires you to be 18 or older and available in certain countries. Next, open the Facebook app or website and locate the Marketplace icon in the toolbar. Tap it to start the enablement flow so Facebook can assess your account for listing privileges. You'll follow an in-app setup that requests acceptance of Marketplace terms and some selling preferences. Do this now so the feature can be activated. Provide clear profile details and a local address because Facebook uses them to show listings in your area. Next, add a payment method if the region supports checkout. This speeds transactions and increases buyer trust. Make sure to set shipping or local pickup options based on what you intend to sell, which affects visibility and fees once listings go live. Finish by creating a simple test listing, choose the correct category, add sharp photos, and set a realistic price. This confirms that selling is enabled and surfaces any immediate policy issues. If Marketplace still doesn't appear, inspect your account quality for restrictions or policy violations and follow prompts to resolve them. Appealing wrongful flags can restore access. For stubborn problems, update or reinstall the app, clear cache, log out and back in, and then contact Facebook help as a last resort if things remain blocked.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.